Sarojini Naidu was a political activist, feminist, and the first Indian woman who became the president of the Indian National Congress. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet of Nightingale of India. Later, she became the governor of the United Provinces in 1947, becoming the first woman to hold the office of the governor in independent India. Indian Weavers. Indian Weavers is a short poem where the poet talks about three types of garment that the weavers weave at three particular times of a day. Each stanza of the poem represents the three important events of human life: childhood, adulthood, and old age and death. Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of a Halcyon wild, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage bells of a queen. Weavers weaving solemn and still. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Appreciation. Write the appreciation of Indian weavers. 1. About the poem, poet, and the title. 2. The theme of the poem. 3. The poetic style, poetic devices, special features. 4. Message, values, morals in the poem. 5. Your opinion about the poem. First point about the poem, poet, and the title. Sarojini Naidu is known as Nightingale of India. She is a patriot poetess who fought for independence. Her poem Indian Weavers is about weavers weaving three types of garment. Second point, the theme. The theme of the poem is the cycle of life. The weavers use colors associated with three stages of human life, that is, birth, marriage, and death. The weavers are weaving colorful clothes for a newborn child, for a queen bride, and for a dead man. The third point, the poetic style, poetic devices, special features. It is a poem in form of questions and answers. The cycle of life is metaphoric: dawn as newborn, dusk as marriage, night as death. The simile compares the garments to objects in color. The sound of W, that is alliteration, gives a musical quality. There is apt use of colors with stages of life. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. The fourth point, message, values, morals in the poem. Indian weavers are famous to the world for their craft. The poem salutes them for their skill. It strengthens spiritually. Life is momentary. Live happily. It reveals hard life of weavers. The poem suggests to keep working. Fifth point, your opinion about the poem. I think the poem is short but meaningful and eye-catchy. I feel it as a thought-provoking poem.